So the past couple years, I've had this giant hammerhead kicking around my shed here, and I'm tired of tripping on it. So since it's Halloween, I figure let's go make the world's heaviest, hardest to use, single-handed pumpkin smasher to ever exist on this planet. And then we'll go smash some stuff. So let's get right to it. And now it's time to light it up. Okay, so how are you supposed to do this? Ow, ow, ow! Still burning. Maybe I gotta light it inside. How are you supposed to do this? I wonder if the candle lit. I can't do it. Oh, it tastes like Band-Aids. Can't do it. You know, I think a hammer this big needs some big nails. Alright guys, that's it for the pumpkin smasher. If there's anything else you want to see me smash, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
And we show the cat that we have something that it really likes.